couldn't tell if that was a fucking cop or not. Ah! I don't know what you said, but ah! No! Bah!
Fuck you.
Rude. We're going to the shade. Buddy, get off your phone. What is he doing? That's what I'm saying. Well, get off the phone and get out of the way. Huh?
I don't see no water going.
I don't see no water. I don't see no water. I don't see no bitches. Didn't even wash his shit. That makes sense, don't it? Put the kickstand down. Put it in gear because I'm scared of dropping it. I don't like this here. Put on. Can you take this? Thank you. I'll put it in the middle. You're in the way. Get out of the way, woman. So first thing I need is the brush, and I need lubricant. No, I need the cleaner. Yo, I'll do this first. Oh, pain in my ass, but there we go. Back in. Oh no! Bonk. Hit my head. I guess I didn't have to put it in gear, did I? Because I gotta move it. I'll do it again. It'd be a lot easier if I had a rear stand to just remove the wheel, but I don't. So oh well. Because ideally, I could put this on a rear stand and just spin the wheel without moving the bike. But I'm fucking poor and I don't own a rear stand. I think that's very loose for having been just done. I'm gonna measure it. I do definitely need to do this more often though, because I definitely don't do it every 500 miles. It's more like, that's like the third or fourth time I've done this in 2,000 miles, so I guess I do it every 500. Exactly. Nothing. Okay. Where's my other can at? You eating the cans? Damn.
I'm hungry.
Shit, me too. This, walk back. Would rather not drop it. Ah. Yeah. Doesn't want to go in gear sometimes. There it is. Because I don't want it moving. We're gonna wash this. I'm gonna do this, let it sit. There's this bug and tar remover. Get rid of all the bugs. No more bugs. Get it up in there. This shit actually does a really good job. Just kind of spray it all over the place. No more bugs. Oh, I just leaked my car details. I can't see. Oh.
It squirted.
Fuck. I'm actually gonna use the tire cleaner first. Spray the wheels so the wheels get nice and clean. Green. So it works really well for the brake dust. Bada bing, bada boom. White. Oh my god, look at that bug! I'm gonna spray everything down. Try to avoid the intake, but like the intake's not very large on this bike, so I don't really gotta worry about it that much. I'm not gonna wipe everything down. Get nice and clean. No more bugs. We go through the risks. So, I'm gonna go ahead and clean this off. Not that dry. I'll go ahead and rinse everything else off. No more bugs. Oh! Oh! Put it down for a second. And boom, you're done. Turn it off. We'll grab my towel. Oh, I need that for. I need that. Spray the lube. Give it a decent dry. I don't really care about water cloud, to be honest. The paint on this thing is fucked. I like not having a wet ass. None of your business, lady. Who the fuck are you?
Let me talk.
Oh, stop. Stop.
Oh, whoop your ass.
I'm not into this. You're here to meet a 14-year-old boy? Weird.
Are you the 14-year-old
Fucking
boy?
sick, lady.
Are you the 14-year-old boy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That carbon looks so good when it's wet. I'm walking on a dream. I haven't heard that song in so long. Because I usually keep a piece of cardboard to like prevent this from splashing everywhere.
Yeah.
And I forgot to grab one.
I guarantee I can find one.
No, it's fine. I kind of do a shitty job anyways. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh my god.
I almost sprayed myself in the face.
It makes you all clean.
I just sprayed this very... Well, this is also very wet. Grab one of my towels here.
He's back.
Huh?
He's back.
Oh, he's back. Oh, he is back. He's back and he has money this time, I think. Let me just dry the chain off with my towel. It's not a big deal. I know I'm not doing this the most optimal, proper way, but I don't care. I feel like I should... My chain should not be this loose, especially because it was just tightened. I just had a shop do it because I had tires put on. Yikes. Oh, we can spray in there. And it's gonna splash everywhere, and that's fine. Go forward. Trying to keep track of where I sprayed, but like, not really. Kinda. Do the same thing. Clean it off, wipe it off with a rag, get dry this. And it's all lube. I'll just let it drip dry for a minute. Uh-oh. Good job, John. Got the bike all cleaned up. Kinda. Anyway, it's time to go. Huh?
You sit there, so
It's fine. Gotta turn my music on, princess. Oh, and he's using the brush too. That's rough. Oh. Whoa. Anyways, I'm gonna go to Goodwill. My clutch doesn't like slipping. Nothing. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck is happening? Uh-oh! Uh-oh! Get off. What'd you say?
all the children are looking at you over there.
Don't make it weird. You're the one that's here to meet a 14-year-old boy, remember? You fucking sicko. Anyways, bike clean.
That's what me too.
I'm gonna go do chores and stuff. Not chores, errands. Go to Goodwill. See if we can find some clothes.